Today we stand inside the premises of Nestle India Limited, the pride of Pantnagar. In the beautiful valleys of Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand, this is a place where the promise of good food, good life is not just in words, but clearly reflected in the way we work. Here, safety is our top priority and quality is our culture. At Nestle India, you are not just a visitor, you are a part of our family. And your safety is our greatest responsibility. With the commitment of safety first, let us understand the rules for entering the plant. Upon reaching the security gate, please register your identity with the Happy Visitor system. The entire premises is a no smoking zone. Carrying or using matches, lighters, BDs, cigarettes or any flammable material is strictly prohibited and must be deposited at the gate. In addition, permission is required for the use of cameras and other restricted electronic devices. For safe movement, pathways are constructed in every area of the plant. Always use the designated pathways only. After reaching the reception, you will be issued personal protective equipment to enter the plant. Wearing safety shoes, apron, and a green color hairnet is mandatory. Our factory follows 8 life-saving rules and strict compliance is mandatory. For example, stop the machine using the stop button before any intervention. Use lockout, tagout before opening any guard. Maintain a safe distance from moving objects, etc. Use mobile phones only in designated areas.
And while ascending or descending the stairs, the use of handrails is mandatory.
While entering the plant, follow routine entry requirements such as the jewelry policy. Remove watches, rings, etc. Then, first use a vacuum cleaner to clean loose hair on clothes, followed by a lint roller. After that, wash your hands with soap. Dry them properly and use sanitizer before entry. Always visit the production area only with a Nestle representative. Before entering, ensure you are aware of the area's emergency evacuation plan and wear the PPE required for that area. Maintain a safe distance from running machines in the production area. Do not attempt to touch any machine, panel or equipment unless you are authorized to do so. As per safety protocols, remember that entry into sensitive areas such as the boiler house, DG room, PNG room and electrical panels requires a valid permit or authorization. The Pantnagar plant is equipped with modern technology. In vehicle movement areas, sensor-based traffic lights are used. If you need to cross the road, show your hand in front of the sensor at the crossing. Once activated, the signal will turn red for vehicles and green for you. Before entering the warehouse, wearing a safety helmet is mandatory.
In the warehouse area, there are anti-collision systems, automatic zebra crossings, and forklifts equipped with AI cameras, red and blue lights.
Keeping these in mind, always maintain a minimum distance of 3 meters from forklifts. Now, let us understand the different types of emergency controls in the factory and what is expected from you during such situations. Our factory has 2 assembly areas. Assembly area number 1 is located in the Phase 2 lawn. The second is in front of the HPP plant. The factory emergency contact number is 5500. In case of fire, the fire hooter will sound in the following pattern.
कृपया ध्यान दें, एक आवश्यक सूचना, इस भवन में आपात स्थिति के कारण
During the fire alarm, you must immediately exit from the nearest emergency door and proceed to the nearest assembly area to safeguard yourself and ensuring the head count. Our rescue team will be activated for firefighting and support operations. The second emergency situation is ammonia gas leakage.
During ammonia gas leakage, the hooter will sound as
During this situation, observe the wind sock, which indicates wind direction. There are 5 wind socks installed in our factory.
In case of ammonia gas leakage, move in the opposite direction of the wind towards a safe location.
Third emergency situation is earthquake. Our factory falls under seismic zone 5, which is a high risk zone. During an earthquake, follow the drop, cover and hold on rule.
At Nestle Pantnagar,
Safety is not just an instruction. It is a promise to ourselves, our families, and the millions of consumers who trust our products. Our technology and rules are successful only when your cooperation is with us. Because every life is precious and every step is safe. My commitment, my safety, your safety. Let us be a part of this safe journey. Your safe return is our greatest achievement. Thank you.